Hi everyone, welcome to Health and Cooking class. Today we are going to make a salsa. So on Monday we made the guacamole and now we'll make the salsa so you can use it for chips or burritos, tacos, whatever you want to do. So this is a pretty quick one because I already cut up most of the ingredients. So the recipe says to take 2 tomatoes and chop them up. And I kind of left them a little bit chunky, but you could cut them even smaller. But remember, if you're cutting, you need to get permission or help from your parents. So I'm going to put 2 cups of chopped tomatoes into my bowl. The second thing it says is to chop up 1 small onion. So I did that. I diced up 1 small onion. Oh, and do you remember what tomatoes are good for? They have lycopene in them, which is good for your heart, and also it helps your skin from burning in the sun. And onions, 1 small onion chopped up here is, remember onions kind of clean you out, so that helps with cleaning out. Okay, next thing it says is to do 2 tablespoons of cilantro, and cilantro is also, remember, a cleansing food. So we chopped up some cilantro. This is the cilantro from our garden, so it's super exciting to use things that you grew. Then it says a juice of 1 lime, and remember I said if you juice a lime or a lemon, then it sometimes has seeds in it. So I juiced it into this bowl so I could pick out the seeds. And also limes, lemons, citrus are high in vitamin C. So that helps with your immunity, right? Building your immune system. It also says to put in some bell peppers. And I bought the colorful ones from Costco. So I chose to put the orange ones in because I already had red tomatoes. So I'm going to put that in. And remember, peppers are good, full of vitamin C too, so that they help build your immune system. Then it says to put in some salt. So I'm going to put in some salt. And remember, that's up to you. You just put some in, and if it's not enough, then put a little bit more. And then it says to put in 2 cups of corn. Now I'm cheating on this one. I bought this corn. It's in frozen bags from Costco in the frozen vegetable section. And I just unthawed it and heated it up, and this is kind of Mexican street corn, it's called. So I'm going to put that in there. I think that would be good for salsa because it has some spices and stuff in it that we would like. And then that's all it says to do. It says to mix those up. Now here's the thing. I really, really like garlic. So I chopped up some garlic, and garlic, remember, is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral, so it fights viruses, so we really want that in this time. So I'm going to put some garlic in there, and it does not say to put avocado, but I love avocado, and it has the healthy fats for us, and the really good minerals like magnesium and those type of things, so we want that. I want that in my salsa. Now, you don't have to put all these things in salsa. You don't have to put corn, you don't have to put red peppers. There's so many different salsa recipes out there that you can look it up and choose what you want, but this one looked really good. So we're having tacos tonight, so I thought this would be really good to go on the tacos. So maybe you could make this salsa or a different salsa, but just remember to eat healthy and have fun cooking and be healthy.